Nice chunk. It's a nice little chunk. Got one. Got one. Oh, that's a good one. Wow. That's a good one. Oh, that paddle. That's a good one, man. Look at that. That's like a 3-pounder. No. About a 2. Wow. He got something. Something. Ow, he just slapped my beep. That's edited out of the scenes. Alright, don't cast until I can get a line back in the water. Yep. Oh, he's heavy. Oh, something bit him. Look at that. Something bit him. Gar, probably. My guess. My guess is a gar. Hold up, don't cast yet. Oh, I'm gonna get one. Right on the edge of the weed mat. I know. But I flipped on the other wet edge. Yeah, there was only one fish sitting on that weed mat. Dang, there's gar feeding down there. Well, that was a fail. He hit it. He hit it, bringing it out of the water. That was a topwater blow up for you. Would you consider that a topwater blow up? Right in the corner of the mouth where you should want it. Yeah, they stink. Got it. Chunk. That's where I was trying to cast. Right up on there. Told you. That's why. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. I'm gonna get. Got him.
Alright, so this will be number 3 for you. I'll have 2.
Yes, sir.
Back up, back up, back up.
I can't. That's a fish. There's a double hook up right there. Back on my leg. That's a fish.
Another one off that rock.
Yep.
Get him?
Yep. He's coming in.
Oh.
He spit it. I know.
And I feel it right by the corner of that thing.
That was a fish?
I didn't get a fish.
Oh. There's a fish. Another one off that rock ledge. Nope, stay down. That's about an average sizer. He'll come back. Told you. You get him? Oh, that one came off right at the boat. But that's okay because it was like a dink and I got the good stuff out of him, which was a fight. What'd it do? Eat your line?
Yeah.
Alright, let me cast. I'm gonna have to bring it over your line. He jumped over your line. How? That was raw. Yeah. He's like, alright, so I'm gonna jump over this line.
Alright, I'm gonna pull myself to it and we get back out in like 20 minutes. Or 10 minutes if we get in. Hey, you need to set up right in the middle of this thing and anchor up.
And drop it. Just drop it straight down.
Just drop it straight down. We'll sit right in the middle of it. Just fan cast.
Dang, man, this rock ledge was the best, too.
Hold on. on it, I can get around to the side of it. Got it. Well, that's how I called that.
These creek bass have sharp
Hey guys,
teeth.
if I get fish on this cast, you guys subscribe to Skyler's YouTube channel.
You heard the man. Oh, yep, that's
Ooh.
that deserves a bunch of subscribers right there, boy. Sit down. Yep, you heard the man. That's a subscriber. That's at least 10 subscribers right there. At least. Oh, that's like a 3.5.
Really?
I didn't bring my scale.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did. Here, bring him around. I'll lip him. You're gonna boat flip a 3-pounder. Yeah.
Alright, where's your bag at? And I'll get the scale.
Flip the bell. Or click it, or whatever you call it on a bait caster. Look at that, guys. That's at least 10 subscribers right there. However many pounds it weighs.
Let's weigh him back there.
Huh? Probably like 2.
Is this right?
Are they?
2. Oh, that's good.
About to say, don't drop my scale. Okay, he said if he catches a fish off of that cast, then y'all had to subscribe. So y'all heard the man. You gotta subscribe to catch one like that behind me. I mean, in front of me. No, I'll keep it out just in case we get like a 4-pounder. Oh, that's a fish. That's even more subscribers right there. All right, this is the last time we can come back.
Fish bit it from under the boat.
Ah.
Scott, the fish bit it under the boat when it was rigged like this.
Really? There's one. Oh no. Are you serious? Here's the place to come to get a fish on a freaking jig. I'm putting on a jig next time I come here, which is going to be in like 2 weeks.
I'm gonna start looking at fish. I'm loving this off fish.
Me too. Oh, bass. What?
I still have my feet on me.
Then you're not going to have bass on if you stop lipping them. Yeah, me too. I hooked him in his tongue. Barely, though. He's not even bleeding. It's a chunk. Jeez, why'd you have to flip? Yeah, I win. Nope, he ain't eating.
Something to like it. Especially the fish on that weed net too. See if we pull it off.
I know, I'm trying to get your rig.
Probably not.
No, it's too shallow right there. Oh no!
Not the same fish you got away from both of us.
Yeah, the difference was my knot didn't flip. Nope, I'm fishing, boy. That's a fish. Oh, what? That is a monster.
Holy cow.
That is a monster warmouth bass.
Well, now I know what we're eating. We're eating right here.
Oh my goodness, that is a monster warmouth bass. Isn't it, Jake? That is a chunk of a warmouth bass. Oh my goodness. That would be good eating. Look at those fillets. I don't know what they taste like, but Sure, they taste just like a brim. Oh, that's a dink. Oh, there it goes. Fell right into the water. Do what? No. It was broken anyways. Got water all over you. Are you serious? Is that a big one? Or are you stuck? Oh my god, that's a good one. Flip your bell. Yeah, he's been mating. That's a female.
Is it?
Yep. It's a tail. That's how the males mate with it. They hit tails.
You don't need that wing. Just let them go. That same size the other one.
Yeah. No. A little bit smaller.
Ready? I'm back to cheese. Perfect. Give me a good cheese.
Just grab that and yank it. It's a chunk. Look at that tail.
Oh, yeah, look at that tail. Why don't I have one over there teaching the baits?
Oh.
He's getting a bar. Alright, now.
That was a bite. I just got a bite.
I wasn't saying now we gotta get it back.
There's one. Oh. Oh, that was a good one. I need to loosen up my drag. That's what it is. What did he kick up? Look at all this brown. Oh. Ah, that's a good one. Nope, not a good one. I feel like a gar's gonna come up and eat my bass. Ah, it came off. Trying to remember in my head what they use on rocks. Got one. Oh, another giant freaking warmouth. I always catch my warmouth off creatures, always. Look at that warmouth.